we are at Central Commercial La Campana in Punta Prima in Orihuela. Brilliant Orona lift. Listen to that. Oh. Listen to that awesome Orona. Never would you think for a 2003 lift you hear it. I sound that amazing. Favourable, and it was due for inspection. Inspected. Sorry, that was inspected just about a month ago. Back down. Listen to that big motor. Brilliant. Not the most efficient lifts. Nice now, the light. Stress. Nice. Over 96 on LCD indicator. Listen to that really nice motor. This lift is really fast leveling. Cool. That's neat. How do we see out down here? No idea. Oh, the tweet are the only Oronas to know what they are actually at Alicante Airport. This time we'll watch the leveling as we go to 1. Look how fast that is. It's really good. I'm not allowed to drive. What a shame. This is a really nice little commercial lift. Look at that bleeding black stained mirror. Just for a little Orona lift. Epic. I do a few different photo angles of it. Nice. Maintained by Schindler. After this, we're down to the ground floor. Or sorry, the Punta Prima. Awesome. La Campana Central Commercial. For another quick ride, because why not? Brilliant lift. Squeaky brake. I don't know how you'd get out to the machine around here, because the machine room is actually at the top of the building. There's no stairs up further, so there has to be a back way up to it, which is interesting. Just listen to that though. Brilliant. +1. Into 1. And finish down with -1. I'm sweating like a pig. It's really warm today. Brilliant. Not allowed to drive. What a shame. Pecres just seem to be like an installer around these parts of Orihuela Costa, which is nice. Probably similar to like Midwestern. Now that was Central Commercial La Campana in Punta Prima. Now